on all the things now.
If anything, you should be looking to buy in around that area, not still holding it.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, you're right. That's when we start to get it backwards, when we start doing backwards crap. All right, there we go. I can see us on Twitch. Cali IPOs are posted.
There ain't no IPOs today.
All right, thank you.
Good on TikTok, Coach.
Awesome. Thank you so much. By the way, didn't we hit a new milestone? We did over on YouTube, Don.
Yeah, we tapped 13K, which is up, by the way.
Yes. Yep. Yes. 13,000.
Finally.
Woo!
Almost to 15, gang.
Yes, we'll take it, man. It's slow and steady, but guess what? I'll take it. As long as we're progressing, we do what we got to do, man. We'll just keep grinding the machine out. We'll just keep going and going and going and going. We are the Energizer Bunny. We just keep on going.
Yep, we are going to keep going. We're going to go right to Vegas to that big wedding, Coach. Remind me, we have a big family.
Yeah. Listen, if we're doing it in Vegas, okay, then it's going to be in front of the king. Elvis has to marry us. Let's
absolutely
right. Let's
That's funny. Just remind him you have 500 relatives that you trade with every day.
Exactly.
What is doing Las Vegas? Good morning.
Good morning. Now, real quick on HOLO, do you guys see that pop of VWAP? That was support. You see how it told us? Look at this. Look at 1, 2, 3, boom, support, right?
It's a lovely thing.
It really is. And just like you said, Dawn, that's where they should be buying at that point.
Bought.
I couldn't help myself. I
bought it. Consider it bought.
That's awesome. You guys are now going to watch and see if it respects the 21. You guys, as soon as it breaks the 21, that's where we would add in. Right? Beautiful. Looking nice. Real nice. Good job. Good morning, everybody. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Palmcoast, Ange, Aaron, Richard, Doug, and Bucko. Welcome, Bucko. Glad to have you in here. We are recruiting for some more moderators. We have another one in the queue right now. We'll see if that works out or not. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Easy Jack, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
What do you do if you write in your journal, right? I'm really good about writing it in. You tell yourself a mini goal, okay, go for, $20, $50 or whatever it may be.
Mm-hmm.
But you don't listen to yourself in what you wrote the night before. Like what happens how do you adjust yourself, or how do you, work through that?
Yeah, it's a great question. So check this out. Since you are the only one in control of your own destiny, you are the only one that will listen to you. Well, I would send that back to all of you in the room. What can you do to force yourself to listen to yourself? I already told you guys what I would do, right? I broke my own rules on Friday. I broke my own rules and my expectations of what was expected of myself on Friday. So guess what I told myself today? You do that dumb shit again today, Coach, you're on a freaking trading timeout. I don't want to put myself on a trading timeout. I like to trade. If I do the same dumb stuff today, I will force myself to not trade, because if I can't follow my own rules and there's nobody standing behind me like, don't do that. Oh, okay. Oh, what are you clicking? Oh, yeah, all right. Where's your, oh, my bad. Well, if I can't control myself, I can't do anything. So this is going to come back to all of you. What do you need to do to yourself? Do you need a mousetrap next to you that slams your hand, right? Do you what is it? What is it?
Okay.
Yeah, there has to be something, and you got to be true to yourself, because how easy is it for all of you to lie in this room to yourself? Well, it's just, it's just the market today. It's just market. Bullshit. I can tell you guys this right now. It's
Bullshit.
never it's never the market. The
Yeah.
market's the same every day. Guess what? It goes up and it goes down. You know, watch the kids at 2 o'clock in the morning. Well, I think it's gonna go up or it could go down, right? It's no shit, Sherlock.
Yeah.
The market's the same every day. So if you're like, well, the market just wasn't there today, bullshit. That has nothing to do with the market. The market's the same. It's always the same. There's always going to be a runner. There's always going to be one crashing out. There's always going to be ones that go sideways. And it's just the only difference is you. You're the captain in that seat. You're the only one controlling what you do. So get control of yourself. This is why I say get your sleep, get your exercise. Listen. Make sure you got your damn jug of water next to you so you can hydrate, right? Make sure you're getting out and exercising and walking and doing the things and getting everything prepared, mental preparedness, paying off that debt so you're not struggling in your brain when you come in here. My back is against the wall. I must make $36 today. All that
That's
shit's
right.
got to go away. All of it's got to go away. We trade the trades. Whatever the market gives us, we trade it. That's it. If it's going down, step on its head. If it's going up, lift it up. That's it.
Thanks, Coach.
Yeah, it's all in you guys. You guys have control.
Yep. I was just gonna say that sometimes your morning before the actual trading really does dictate how your mentality ends up going throughout your trading day, right? So
It
whether that's
does.
bad sleep,
Yes.
life going on,
Yes.
or
Yeah.
life going on, right? Whatever it may be. So
Yes.
I definitely been able to hone in on that. But
Yes.
thanks for your words again. I appreciate that, Coach.
Yeah, absolutely, man. It's listen, I say it all the time, right? The psychology is more important than anything. Any one of us can any one of us can mechanically click a button. Clicky clicky. Yeah, so what? That's nothing, right? It's all up here though. Because guess what? After you've made the decision to put in a risk, because every time you buy anything, there's a risk. Well, guess what? Now you got to control it all. Now what is your brain doing with it? It's all you, man. You guys are all the captains in your seats, right? When you come in, treat it like a job. Don't come in here goofing around with your own real money, right? And this is why I told, if you guys remember, right? Josh asked in one of our channels. Josh, that's the only reason I'm saying it out loud is because you asked publicly. So I'm going to say it publicly. Josh said, well, what do I do if I'm in my paper trading and I have 2 red days in a row? You're done. You don't get to keep paper trading. You're done. The word trading is now not in your vocabulary, right? You no longer get to do any of that. You must now only train. You don't get to click the button. There's no clickety click for you, right? That means you coming back and all you're going to do now is listen to what we're saying in the room, why we're saying it. Now your hand's going to start to cramp because you should be doing nothing but journaling. You don't get to clickety click. You're done. You're done. There's no trading for you, even in a fake account. You're done. You need to listen more, right? So that comes down to train more, trade less. I cannot stress this enough. Stay on it, everybody, right? Stay on it. And when you get in a hot streak, Palm, Mark, Nate, when you guys get in those streaks, stay in the zone as much as you can. Trade exactly the way you have been. Don't veer off. The market is going to be up and down. None of that shit matters. Don't get in your own ways at all. Continue to trade the way you've been trading and you will be rewarded because obviously that was working for you. Now's not the time. I'm going to mix it up. No, you're not. Stop that bullshit. You don't need to mix it up. You're doing incredible, right? You're making $1 million a month. You don't need to mess with it, man. The recipe is amazing. You start mixing that thing up, you might going to blow it up, and then you're going to get in your own head, and then you're going to get into a slump. Well, guess what? That whole time you could have had another $1 million month, and then another $1 million month, and then and then another, and now a $2 million month. All you had to do was stay the course, consistently do exactly what you were doing. That's why the journal is so important. That's why I say, even when you're successful, right, that journal is just as important, if not more, to make sure you understand why you are doing what you're doing. That's why I told Christina when she was in the zone and in the hot zone, Stay in it. What were you doing? How did you get there? What do you need to do? How do you stay present? Same with Ange over there, right? You need to stay the course, stay present. What got you there? That's what you got to stay in. You got to live in that spot as long as you can, because if you have 10 great days in the hot zone, might pay for the next 90 days where you're not. Because you guys know when you are hot in the market and it's going your way, and because here at American Dream Trading, we don't cap our profits, only our losses, it's unlimited reward. Your 10 days of unlimited reward can seriously go from, oh, I just only intended to make 500 today. 10 days later, you're like, holy shit, I made $30,000. Because we don't cap the upside, only the downside. Stay in the zone, stay focused, and for God's sakes, use the strategies that I train you on every day. They work. You hear it. It's consistent. We have the world's greatest traders, period, point blank, end of discussion. I don't give a crap about anybody and what they're doing. We have the best traders in the world at American Dream Trading. That's it. Bar none, like without even question at all. It's because of the rules we have in place. You can duplicate them. Everybody across the board, you guys can duplicate them. Stay the course. Love your faces. Let me set this up. Hold on. All right, here we
We
go.
love you too, Coach.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, Coach.
You
Thanks
got
so
it.
much.
We're going to get it done. We're going to get it done today, ladies and gentlemen. We're not messing around. I want you guys to, right? This is your jobs. This is your livelihoods. Let's keep it going. Thank you guys. By the way, TikTok, if you guys get to 300 concurrent viewers or 50,000 likes, we'll do a giveaway. YouTube, if you guys get to 100 likes today, we will do a giveaway. Thank you again, everybody over on YouTube. Make sure you guys go over there, type in American Dream Trading, click the subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when we are live and new videos go up. We have new videos that come out every single day for the most part. We have over 2,000 training videos. We are live here every day, 3 times a day. You'll catch me from 9 to 11, sometimes 9 to 12. Today I have to leave before 11. I've got a meeting today. But typically I am here every day from 9 to 11. Mark is here every day from 2 to 4. And then Dawn is here every day from 5 to 6:30 or 7, however late the program runs. But we are here every single day, 3 times a day. So all I ask that you guys do is hit that subscribe or follow, depending on if you're watching on Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, or the YouTubes or TikTok. Make sure you guys are following. That's all I ask. That's how you help us. Double click the screen, double tap. Make sure you guys share out the information. Thank you for all those gifts over on TikTok. Every time you guys send one of those little 1 cent, it costs 1 cent, by the way. It's a penny for a rose. It helps the algorithm, right? All those little things you guys can do to help us, we appreciate it. It boosts. Thank you, Erides. See, I saw you right there. So thank you so much. Real quick, I want to thank all my military family, as always. Thank you so much for anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you to my son. He's in the Air Force over 8 years now. I appreciate you. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. I appreciate that. You guys are awesome. Be safe out there. All right. Real quick, news for today, just so you guys know why the market is doing what it is doing. I already discussed it a little bit this morning. New AI came out a couple days ago from China. It is the DeepSeek. So what that's doing is they're just saying that they can produce the same or better than ChatGPT for a lower dollar costing amount, which in turn is causing NVIDIA stock to tank, which in turn is causing a lot of chaos in the markets. That's why the markets are blood red this morning, because NVIDIA has been driving the entire S&P all of 2024, right? So that was the main driving force. I think they said like 20% of the 30% was all NVIDIA. So, so nobody freak out. If you guys are looking at cash secured puts, not financial tax or investment advice. But if you guys are looking at cash secured puts or collecting on something that you guys have wanted to buy for a long time, remember my rule, if I want to go long term, is every 5, 10, or 15% pullback is a good opportunity for me to buy in. There is a difference between a fire sale or a stock is just going nowhere. Right now, it's just a fire sale. We obviously all know the stock market is not crashing. Nothing has caused the market to crash. Therefore, today, you guys might get into some really good sales, right? That doesn't mean tomorrow we don't have another red day. Nobody knows, okay? That, and I tell you guys every day, no matter how many lines and things you're drawing on your charts, and this is the moment, and I told you the market was going to pull back, and it had nothing to do with any of that. All I had to do was a news catalyst. News catalyst will always override technical and fundamental anything. That's it. That's all. Has nothing to do with anything. I don't care if a little kid drew a line. I told you guys it was going to pull back. If it had nothing to do with any of that at all, anywhere, right? So their little 50-50, it could go up and could go down is all BS. It literally went down because of news only. And I tell you guys every day, news catalyst overrides everything. We will trade the trades today. No one's going to guess bottom. We're not doing that. Let me repeat that for the people in the back. We are not going to guess bottom today at all. If you guys see a double bottom and you want an opportunity to scoop that up for a possible upside, you better have a tight stop if you're going against the grain. What does against the grain mean? SPY right now is tanking. SPY has already had one of the worst pre-market sessions it's ever had at 2%. That's what, $1 trillion or something ridiculous, $500 billion, right? Is it going to stay there? We don't know. But I'm telling you right now, if you're like, oh, this is it, I'm going to go long, and it's the whole day's been downside, well, then get ready to get your teeth kicked in. That's what you deserve, right? Don't try to go against the trend unless it shows you. First thing you guys should all do every day on the 2 to 3 stocks that you watch, every day, you're going to come in, you're going to mark pre-market high.
Bills is just $5.99. Battery.
What in the hell? Let me mute all the mics. Sorry, I did not have my mute up, so I couldn't kill them all. I got it, moderators. First thing you guys are going to do every day when you walk in on those 2 to 3 shares that you love, you're going to mark pre-market high, pre-market low, end of day high, end of day low on previous day. This is going to set you up to get you going, right? And then we're going to start watching some of these key critical areas, right? SPY right now, so you know, you can see it clearly. The closer we get to 596.50, resistance. Bottom end support, it bled all the way out, 589. So we'll just say 590. The closer you get to 590, because it's always going to be off, right, by 20 to 40 cents with SPY. So 590. This is your range. This is your trading range. As it develops throughout the day, we will keep an eye on it. Nobody gets silly. If this breaks VWAP, you can see the 200s right here. So if this broke VWAP in the 200, I'm going downside with it. I'm going to short it or buy puts. This breaks above 596.50, I'm going to go long and make sure that that stays as support. We need to make sure we understand these levels. If this breaks down below here, we could get a gap down all the way back down to pre-market low. Pre-market low at 590 is going to be support. It doesn't mean it's going to stay there, but you already know everybody in the world is going to be watching for it. So if it does get down there, I will be watching for a bounce at 590. You should already know your game plan. You should already chart it out. You should already be looking at it. If you're a paid member, you already got all the pre-market setups. We already told you every key area. You've already got the hot stock picks that are already running and that we've already been making money on together if you're a VIP member. We set you up for success every day here. You need to take advantage of it. Show of hands. Everybody open your mics. Did anybody make any money yet in the VIP room?
Yes, coach.
Yes,
Oh,
yes, yes,
yeah.
yes.
Sir. Absolutely.
Yes, sir, coach.
Absolutely, coach.
I'm ready for mine.
100%.
Good job. That's what we want to do. Oh, real quick, I forgot to mention this. Diamond members. Those of you that bought into our Diamond membership, you now have a new badge on the tail end of your name. Everyone in the world will know you're a Diamond member. It will say Diamond. You are a Diamond member. Diamond members has its privileges. So
No,
those
coach,
of
you.
so those of you that bought it, you guys will now have a special badge that we haven't created for anybody ever before. And I told my moderators, the reason we want to do that is because if you've invested in a Diamond membership, we have you for life. You have unlimited access, right, to every service we have for life. Therefore, we want to show you off, right, with a Diamond badge. So congratulations to those of you that have it. If you guys are interested in getting the Diamond membership, by the way, we can create 4 easy payments for you. We've never been able to do that before. And the first 10 people that sign up, you're going to get a one-on-one with me. I will not do it beyond 10 because it's $6,000. You're going to get an hour with me. First 10 people that get the Diamond membership, even if you use the payment plan, you're going to get a one-on-one with me. So appreciate that. If you guys wanted to get a one-on-one with me too, we have a new payment plan for that as well. So if you wanted to break that up into 4 payments of $1,500 each, and after the 4th one is paid, we'll unlock that calendar that gets you the schedule. So if you've been on the fence and you want to have a one-on-one directly with me, now is your opportunity, right?
How do we pay for that?
We will send you a link. So if you are interested, all you need to do is raise your hand in any one of these lounges and say, I want one of these. We'll send you the link immediately right in the lounge and get you squared away. Jesse, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
You said we can raise our hands to get the link. So
Yeah. Jesse, just go over. Can you type in the Stock Lounge in Discord and just tell them what you want? Just say, hey, I want this or this. We'll send you immediately the link to it right now.
All right, thank you.
Yep, you got it. That goes for all of you. If you never know how to get any of our products and services, raise your hand anywhere and go, I want this. Done. It'll be done within 5 seconds. Done. Right? I got literally 20 moderators standing by constantly to help all of you at any point, anywhere, anytime, with anything. We have the most moderators out here, literally, to help you. We're everywhere. Ronald, you got your hand up. Go. And we got about 7 minutes till we get this party started. We got to hurry. Go.
I just wanted to get into the group too.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Jesse just said.
Yep, absolutely. So, Ronald, all you need to do is you see over on Discord.
Yep.
Just in the Stock Lounge right now, just type I want and then whatever it is, and we'll grab you immediately.
Thank you.
Yep. So moderators, you got 2 over there. They're coming in. 2's coming in right now. BS, go.
Hey, real quick, I just want to say your moderators are the best. They respond great, fast, better than any other company I've ever tried to get a hold of with. So kudos to them and great job, coach.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, we take great pride, right? All the businesses that I've ever ran, because they are all 100% service focused. Every single one of my businesses, by the way, we are 100% customer service driven, because our day-to-day jobs, trading, that's great. But if you do not get the best customer service in the business, you won't want to be here. It doesn't matter how great we are, how many hundreds of millions of dollars we make. If you don't get answers when you need them, you're not going to be here. That's why we do what we do. That is why we have been the best in the industry for sales and service since the day we walked in the door. Appreciate you guys. Yep, I see it. Jesse, we see you over there. Jesse, we just sent you the link for the Diamond 4 installments. Ron, I see you typing in. We're going to get yours immediately. Miranda, thank you. Look how fast that was. It's like right now. Oh, I love it. You guys are amazing. Everybody doing their part here at American Dream Trading. Absolutely fantastic. By the way, if you guys are interested in signing up for any of our memberships, go to americandreamtrading.com. If you just want to sign up for free to get all of the free education, we have tons of ebooks, flashcards, games, everything you could ever possibly get for free, by the way. just head over to americandreamtrading.com, click on join the Discord. I'm going to tell you this right now as a disclaimer, though. If you do not verify your account within the first 12 hours, it will kick you off the system, right? All the people that are in our Discord are real people. We're not trying to pad our stats. We got 200,000 people and they're all bots. We don't do that here. It's all legitimate. The people in our Discord, that is all real people, okay? So, again, anything you guys are interested in, we have regular premium memberships. By the way, for 2025, now listen to this. We lowered it from 200 to 125. The people that were, listen, this is how serious we are. The people, we had like 23 people that were paying $200 a month. You know what we did? I lowered the price. I kicked them all off the 200 plan. I put them on a 125 plan. Right? You're not paying more. If we lower it, you're not paying more. I don't care. That's what we're talking about, right? Business integrity. We want to make sure everybody's taken care of. I want to make sure we stay the leaders. I chose that price point to be overly competitive because now you have somebody with 33 years of experience with the most profits that anybody's ever seen in the business with our community that's here, unverified, before you come asking for receipts. But we know, right? I wanted to make sure we stayed competitive with the kids that have only been here for a couple of years, right? The little, join my stuff and we'll do the stop. So now you can get the best of the best for the absolute lowest price that's out there. Period. Point blank. It's out there right now. So anyways, lots of memberships. We've got premium, VIP, VIP gold. Diamond is just unlimited everything, right? That opens up everything for all of the services. And by the way, we did the math. You're getting $56,000 worth of lifetime memberships when you get a diamond with me right now. Let me repeat that. $56,000, because we have earmarked every one of these new memberships that we are going to open up. You already have access to them for life. $56,000 worth of services you will get right now if you get the diamond membership. And that's just what we have earmarked. We don't know what else is going to be coming down the pipe. We've got the ADT University, right? Or the ADT Academy. We've got all sorts of stuff. Seriously, you guys might want to check it out. Coach, can you validate my parking ticket? Absolutely. Take it over to the moderation station, and we will get you set up, Diesel Dan. We will validate your parking ticket, sir. We will take care of that for you for being a member here at American Dream Trading. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
Hey, Coach, you mentioned all the free resources in the free section of the Discord?
I did, absolutely. Yes, I did.
If you can't afford it now, get in there.
I appreciate that. Yes, thank you so much. And thank you, by the way, to our new moderators. You guys are absolutely awesome. I appreciate that. All the new moderators that are over there, we appreciate you.
Go check Tesla.
Now, Ron, if you have other lifetimes, like big lifetime memberships, let us know. We'll be willing to work. We've worked with some people on the diamond memberships too, by the way. Right? Now, obviously, now listen. Before you're all like, well, I bought 2 lifetime memberships. Can I take off all the money? No, you can't, because it's $56,000 worth of memberships you're getting for that price, right? So don't come in here all crazy, but I am willing to work with you guys. If you've bought some other lifetimes, just don't be like, oh, I want it for free. It's not happening. Sorry. Because hell, the cost of a one-on-one with me is $6,000, right? Can't be give you the farm. You're already getting $6,000. I hope you guys understand. Okay, thank you. But yes, I will try to make sure everybody has the opportunity for it. So if you guys have had some previous lifetimes, where open up a ticket. Doesn't hurt to ask. If you guys ask for a bunch of bullshit, I'm just going to send you packing, but that's okay. I would rather ask than not. I can tell you that. Thank you. Emmanuel says, would you mind if I go live on TikTok? Yeah, you can promote us. Just obviously make sure. Listen, if anybody wants to promote us and we got 15 seconds, just make sure you're not right. Don't be posting all over Reddit. Don't be going into other places and be like, oh, you guys, don't go into other Discords. Join American Dream Trading. Don't do any of that. That's rude and that's not good business behavior. I do not condone that in any way, shape, or form, right? So everybody be cool about that. But yes, if you want to talk about us, and I know we're live, then go ahead. All right, here we go, everybody. Today I will be trading stocks and or options today, not futures, just so you guys know. Here we go. Oh, and we have futures too, by the way. All right, I'm watching SPY.
Apple
Yep.
to the upside, really nice.
Yep, I see it. Apple up 1%. SPY also cranking to the moon here. SPY, I'm looking for it to come up to that 596.50. We discussed that this morning, right?
Yeah, it's forming a double top right now.
Okay, good.
It's right there.
Yes, it is.
How do you know that, Coach? Huh? It's
I know
magic.
it. I know it, right? I'm going to look and see if we can get a pullback off of this level. Otherwise, I'm watching it to break through. I'm just waiting patiently here. I've not entered a trade. Oh, don't forget, you guys, remember the first 3 minutes and the last 8 minutes is super volatile. So please don't get your faces wrecked. There's that bounce, though. Look at that. Beautiful on SPY. Beautiful. Above 596.50. Loving that. See if that'll keep on cranking to the moon. Love it, love it, love it. See if we can continue to get a push. Nice. Nice. I'll take it right there. Nice. Just made $2,000.
Nice job, Coach.
Nice. Not bad, right? Not bad for, I don't know, what, 6 seconds? Good job. Keep it going. Still rocking and rolling. Looking to see if we're going to get any type of breathe back or not over there. Very nice. Very nice. Apple continuing to climb. 2-minute EWO is in effect over there. You guys are now in a 6-star trade to the upside on Apple. That is a 6-star trade on Apple. Nice job. Good job. Yep, that's 2,000. I had to check the P&L. $2,123 right there off of that trade. Nice.
Yep.
Yep. Done. Done for the day. That's hilarious. I love my job. All right. SPY still to the upside. And that was off of 10 SPX contracts, by the way. 10.
Very nice, Coach.
Thank you. Apple continuing to climb. SPY with a little bit of a breathe back. Now remember, SPY 596.50 is everything on SPY. If you guys are above it, what did I say this morning? If you're above 596.50, we long it, right? We discussed it this morning. Live. Good job. Hopefully you guys listened. Above 596.50, you guys longed it.
NVIDIA is on a double top.
Thank you. Oh, SPY continuing to climb over here. Who's making money on that? On that break of 596.50 we had marked.
I am, Coach.
Thank you. It's beautiful. Might make some small trades in here. Now, I want you guys to realize what I'm doing, right? Is I made a decent trade out of here. And now I'm not going to give it back by continuing to go big, 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 big fast. Now I'm going to go really small, trickle in a couple $100 here and there, right? To protect what I've made today. Does that make sense? I'm not going to be all blowing it up. Okay, good.
Be careful, pullback coming up. Big 7 all pulling back.
Yeah, if you guys look at the 2-minute EWO indicators, you guys are up on resistance now, right? See it?
Yes.
So just be careful. Watch this breathe back.
Hot stock peak JG is moving up, Coach.
All right, thank you. Nice, nice.
NVIDIA is forming the first green EWO.
Nice. Nice, nice. Apple still in a 6-star trade. Apple still in a 6-star trade.
As well as SPY.
Yeah, but SPY is consolidating here. Not touching.
Google double top.
Thank you. Not touching SPY here for a re-entry. I'd like to see this come back down and pull to 596.50, honestly. This is what I want to see SPY do for me on a scalp entry. NEO's up 2.8%, Verizon 2.5%, Pfizer 2%. JG, uh-oh, not getting an update. Okay, there it goes. JG needs to break, yeah, this 20. I don't even want to look at JG until it breaks 20. You see that? Set your alarms for the break above 20 on JG. Everybody hear me?
Thank you, Coach.
Yep. Not financial tax or investment advice. Just set your alarm when that breaks 20. That's what you want to be watching for.
Google first green EVO.
Thank you. SPY still heavy here. Waiting to see if this gets a bounce. Yep. Stair step down, down, down on SPY. See that 3 in a row?
Mm-hmm. Tombs.
Yep. If that breaks below 596.50, I'll go short down to this 21. Otherwise, we get a bounce off the 9. There it is. I can go long here, going in. Order just got filled. Nice, nice.
It's right at 597 too. It's kind of act like support.
I just took it for another $350 off the bounce. Now I'm up $2,477.22. Just the like of that. 2 trades. SPY had that nice bounce off the 9 here. This is why I went into that. Did everybody see why I did that? Okay, good. Good job.
Support.
That's right. Became support.
597 is right there.
Yep. Everybody keep an eye on this. SPY here. You get new high a day. You can go long again. Just watch that 9 now. 9 is acting as a magnet. So you can see that it is respecting the 9. It pulled back, it touched, bounced, upside. Nice job. Good job. Eric's Moto getting it done. Love that guy. 1,800 over there on Apple so far. Great job. Another one of our moderators. Nice job. Live, by the way, live Apple chat going on. If you're a VIP member, live Apple chat, right? You guys have access to that. You guys can see David over there and Eric with the assist getting it done every day. By the way, David is now over $400,000 in profits just in live Apple chat.
Tesla new high.
Thank you. Tesla, new high. I like it. Let me take
It
a look.
just broke its level.
Yep, I see it.
One.
Yep, nice, nice. Now Tesla could have a gap up to 405.50. Everybody see it?
Yeah.
So watch that. That would be beautiful. SPY making another move here to the upside. SPY breaking through here. This should get a nice push now.
Microsoft is forming a double top right now.
Thank you.
ONCO hot stock pick, hold it to upside.
All right, thank you. There it goes. There's that push on SPY. I'm going to take it right there.
Oh, wow.
Yep, just made another $200 on SPY. It's like taking candy from a baby. Now I'm up $2,632.44. 3 trades. Very nice, very nice. Make that money.
Google new high.
Thank you. Qs are blasting off as well. Nice, nice, nice. Tesla hit 402.17, pulled back. Apple is now respecting the 9 here. Apple's respecting the 9. 2-minute EWO riders. You guys are still okay over there. Just be cool. David and Eric is leading the charge, letting you guys see what they're doing. All my futures traders, right? You guys should be doing what you're hearing off of SPY. Good job.
Google, nice push to the upside.
Nice job.
New home sales data coming out in 20 minutes.
Oh, thank you. Great call out on that. Excellent call out on that. Love it. Apple, nice bounce off that 9. You guys are starting to make another move to the upside, looking for new high on Apple. Apple 2-minute EWO, you guys are just rocket shipping again. Huge payday. Huge payday. Love it. Good job. Thank you, Diesel Dan, for the gifts. Thank you, JRG, for the gifts. Thank you, Eric, for the gifts over on TikTok. We're at 211 viewers right now. Let's get that up to 300 so we can give away some goodies today. Apple, still climbing, getting ready for new high a day, like I said a little bit ago. There it is. Boom. Apple, new high a day. Good job. SPY, you going to come back here to this 596.50? Because I really want you to. I really want you to. But if not, that's okay, because I know a lot of people are still making money. Come.
Coach, on hold time for hot stock pick ONCO is 9:43:26.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Love it. Watching SPY here. I want to see if SPY gets heavy. Breaks through this 9, comes back down to this 596.50. Or is it going to bounce off the 9? I'm watching this candle here off the 1 minute. Why is my timer not up? Oh, it is up. 20 seconds on this timer. 18, 16, 14. Watching to see where this next candle starts. Apple new high a day, continuing to climb. Beautiful Apple trade. You're welcome, Manny's Life. Good to have you in here. Over on YouTube, I see you. I appreciate you. Good morning, Ross. Nice work. Why am I hearing birds chirping? It's like it's freezing out. They must be coming back. It's a little warmer, I guess. Okay. SPY right here off the 9. It's kind of nice hearing the birds chirp, but I'm like, man, I need to bring them a blanket or something.
It's because it's a wonderful day in ADT.
It really is. Thank you, man. Thank you for being here. You're what makes it wonderful, all of you. Right here, nice pop off that 9. Nice pop off that 9. See if that'll keep climbing. See if this will pop a little more. Still trading off this 9. Oh, got heavy. Don't like it. I'm out. $400 loss on that trade right there. I did not like the way that got shoved down off this candle. See this? Did not like that at all. Wanted it to respect this 9 and go. If it does, I'll hammer it again. If not, I'm going to wait. Wait. Because it's respecting it. Yep.
Would you draw a line there at 598.50?
For the consolidation, yes. All right, here we go. It's getting heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. I'm in it. I tried to get in it.
Everything is pulling back on the big 7.
Yep. I'm going to see if it'll pick me up. See if it'll go. Nope. It bounced. It bounced. It bounced. I'm just waiting now. Right now off of this candle, I'm waiting. Because that was a huge pull.
7.45% on my count on that pull.
Yes. Nice job. Good job.
Rhina is channeling, so
Yep.
patience.
Yep.
It's great for scalper.
Yeah, this is going upside. I'm in the wrong side. Took 500 on that too. So that's 900 off in 2 trades right there. That's how fast this thing can move. Oh, I love this now to the upside, though. This is the move that I wanted right here. I'm going to hammer this one. Going a little bit heavier on this one to the upside off of SPY, respecting the 9. Because it bounced, it broke through, it bounced, it held, and it stayed up. Same thing. Bigger trade here. Has to respect the 9. If not, I'm going to give back all my gains literally in 3 trades. Just like that. Needs to bounce. Needs to bounce right here. Not giving that all up. Bouncy bounce. It's heavy. And if that breaks through that 21, it's going to that 596.50. Waiting right here. My dog's just over here sawing logs behind me. Can you hear her? Yes, I got a nice push again right there. Yes, right there. Yes, nice push right there. Push it. Push it real good. Respected the 9. Just waiting right here. See if I get a nice push. By the way, I added 5 when it came back and tapped. Came back and tapped the 9. I added 5 to it, so 15. Still respecting the 9 here. There we go. See if we can get another big move. Oh, it's just sitting here.
Brutal.
Yeah, it's up on the ceiling, which is scary, but
Yeah. I think it's got more upside.
that's what I think.
You gotta wait for breaking one way or another.
Right. Just waiting.
You could try a straddle. I don't know.
Thank you. Thank you. Boy, listen to all the strategies coming out now. We are up here on the ceiling, but it had a nice, I mean, look at push, right? All good pushes.
You ain't wrong.
Tesla new hive day.
Thank you.
I was about to say that.
Apple is moving, so it may pick up SPY as well. So
Right.
Oh,
Well,
Apple on your high.
stock peak.
Careful.
Stock peak. ONCO moving up.
Thank you. Careful we don't talk over each other. Love your faces. Come on. Man, it's right there. It's just right there. It's like push, and just stalling out. It is up on the ceiling. I mean, it is topsy-turvy up here.
Should be. You almost there being green.
I know it's been green
You
multiple
blanked
times.
for a minute.
You know,
For a second.
No, it's constantly green, but it's just, man, it's just so iffy right there. Just want to see nice.
I think it's popping right now, so you should take SPY with it.
Yep. There we go. A little more. I'm going to take some off. Just sold 5.
Go.
I'll take 5 more. 5 left.
Tesla is popping really nicely.
Oh, it's just sitting here. Come on, pop. I'll take the rest. It's all right. I'll take it. Good trade. I just don't like how heavy it's sitting. That's all. All right. So I'm up $2,536. So I made back those last 2 losses. We're golden. I don't like the way it's sitting here. It's sitting here too long. We're way up on the ceiling on the 2-minute EWO. If you guys look at that.
Yeah.
That's low.
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna get trigger happy and dump some.
Yeah, I do not like the way it's consolidating on the top of resistance. That is scary to be trying to long.
Yeah.
I'm going to be looking to flush this in a minute.
You that crazy VWAP line.
Yes, this whole thing is nutso land right here. So
Especially when you
everybody.
see Tesla is popping and SPY is not. It's like it's telling you it doesn't want to go.
Which tells you if that breathes back, right? If those breathe back at all, this thing is going to knife drop, right?
Mm-hmm.
I was waiting to ask about that VWAP line. I've never really seen one do something like that. Is there a reason behind it?
Yeah, just because of the way it moved. It just moved so much.
Because, you know, similar to Apple, it kind of just, Apple shot up and curved like a normal line would, but this one's really weird.
Yeah, sometimes they'll do that. And it might take a bit to catch up. Today says hot stock HWH might be moving. All right, here we go. This is the pullback I was looking for right here, gang. I want to see this break through this 21 to head to 596.50, and I'll hammer those puts. But I'm going to wait. I got to wait till it comes down. This is why I said I don't want to be on the ceiling trying to long that. That's why I took that $1,000 out of there. Did everybody catch that? I'm just waiting. I don't want to be up here on the ceiling, though. If it wants to break through and make new high, I'll go long. Otherwise, I don't want to be sitting here, especially that heavy, right?
And it's right in the middle of that channel.
Yeah, and this is a dangerous spot to be sitting. Holy
Yeah,
crap.
just wait for the setup.
Yeah,
Wait
it
for
wants
consolidating.
Yeah, this is a dangerous spot. Paul knows what I'm talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
because this is pull territory, buddy. This is get paid big time on a knife drop situation. So I'm just gonna be patient. Patiently waiting.
Just waiting for Apple to do something in the pull.
Just waiting.
Buyers are done. The sellers are going to take over for a little bit.
Yep. Speaking of
Watch.
Apple, 2-minute EWO just cranking to the moon. Beautiful job.
Yeah, new high.
I'm
Good
watching
job.
front cup and handle on SPY.
Yes. Yeah, what's SPY looking like right here? Because this is crazy. Yeah, 598.30 was a previous level for SPY. You guys seeing this? Right? Oh, yeah. Look at 598.30 on SPY, gang. See it? That's a gold level. It's sitting at a gold level here. Interesting. I don't care. Being patient. You can see it's up, but I don't want to touch this until we break this 598.30 leading to 580 or 598.50. Nope. You can always
Especially with the new report coming up in a few minutes. The home sale report.
Yeah. Is that at 10?
Yeah.
It's
Yes.
7.5 minutes too. 7.5 minutes. That's going to decide a lot today, especially with the market being so red.
Yep.
Because every little bit of news is going to over-exaggerate everything. Nice. I see our P&Ls are already stacking up today. Good job. We'll talk about that after 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock, everybody keep your mics muted. Because I want to
Coach, you are mind reader.
Yeah, nice job. Yes. And I don't want a bunch of chatter going on when we're trying to get through the hottest spot of the day, right?
You got it, Coach.
Yep. SPY 598.30. This pops to the upside. I can long this. $598.30. Everything on SPY. Not touching this. So the easy thing for you guys, easier, right, would be for you guys to wait till the break of 598.50. Okay, that way you don't get chopped up in this little spot. So if you guys are waiting on SPY, a good strategy could be to go long above 598.50. Don't touch that long until the break of that. Everybody hear the sound of my voice, please?
Roger.
Okay, good. I don't want nobody chopped up. Apple continuing to climb. 6 minutes to news data and shift change. Volume will come in. Everybody be cool. We're still slowly climbing up on SPY. Here it comes. Come on, break that 598.50 and I'll go long.
There's less pushing SPY right now.
We're right there, gang. Qs are pushing 2 to the upside. We're right there. I'm going to go smaller because I don't trust this spot. I'm going to go smaller. I do not trust this thing at all right here. No.
Good call.
Yeah, I do not like it. That thing looks like it just wants to go, haha, just kidding, and bam!
Yeah.
Ugh.
You've been looking at SPY for so long, you know what it's going to do.
Yeah, it's
nobody's sticking their neck out this early. That's all the problem is.
Yeah,
I still think it's got more upside. But
Yeah.
nobody wants to give it that like the bottle rocket.
I agree. Institution buyers are not going to want to come rolling in 4 minutes with a news announcement about to hit.
The minute they throw that gamma candle, it's going to get sold off.
I agree. I mean, I'm set up for puts, so.
Yeah, I just entered them off that.
I'm right with you.
Yep.
And I'm
Waiting.
selling right now.
My favorite trade right here, Palm, would be to break this 21 and come all the way to 596.50. Woo!
Well, that would be nice.
That would be massive payday. But that would be against the trend. Notice I'm not going against the trend like a maniac here, right? Trend is upside right now, so.
Yep. The 921's wide open.
Yep. David, it's $125 a month if you want the premium membership. My name is Chad, by the way, aka the coach. I've been in the stock market for 33 years. I've trained over 1 million people in here. Come on over. Apple's pulling. Look at Apple here. A little bit of a breathe back.
Right at VWAP right now.
Yep. All right, guys, listen, we are now 3 minutes 20, or I'm sorry, yeah, 3 minutes 20 seconds. Just be cool. If you guys get into anything, please have a stop loss in place. And remember, it can blow right through your stop. Right? So if you guys are going to be in anything at 10 o'clock, make sure you got your stops. Now listen, 3 minutes. Not financial tax or investment advice. But I always love to do some sort of straddle or strangle, especially in this type of situation, because it could pop or drop based upon that news. And then I will be able to take advantage of the volatility, right? But you better understand how to make that trade before you do it. And don't do it live, especially during a situation like this. So please be cool. But yeah, anytime we get into a situation where we could have a pop or drop, remember, volatility is great for straddles and strangles. Apple pulling below VWAP, touching the 21. SPY getting a move here. Oh, this keeps, I got to come back to 2. Still waiting. All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, gang. And I want everybody to remember there could be a knee-jerk reaction. The SPY goes one way, and within the next 2 minutes could go the other way, okay? So please be patient. If you've never traded news like this either, don't do it. Just avoid it. It's not worth the risk, okay? Make sure all of your risk management is in place. Make sure you have all your risk management in place. You guys will watch me live trade this news.
And it's previous new housing data, right? Not forecasted.
Mark, are you in here? Or one of my news? Richard?
All good. Never mind.
No, it's okay. We definitely want to know before 1 minute and 20 seconds.
New home sales.
All the
Go
disasters.
ahead, Mark.
New home sales.
All right, thank you. By the way, talking to some of my real estate agent buddies, they're saying that the market is starting to pick up, even now in January, for housing sales. I told you guys, though, it was going to do that, didn't I? Be cool. Thank you, JRG. I see you over there. Thank you for double tapping the screen. Wow, 19,000 likes already. Thank you. Appreciate that. SPY right here. All right, gang. 30 seconds. Mark, you'll be the only one speaking to let us know the news, yes?
Copy.
Thank you.
Forecast is 0.67 million. That's your happy number.
So we'll just say 0.67 to get the data out quick. So it'll either beat or miss 0.67. Actually, give me 1 sec. I'll while you're doing that. Here we go. 10 o'clock. Get ready, gang.
Oh my Lord, 3.6
instead of 0.67. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I want to see how the market reacts to that.
Month over month is down from prior.
Yep, which we expected.
Be a nothing burger.
Yeah, that's a nothing burger.
Yep. Apple, you guys are way below the 2-minute EWO. Everything broke through. All right, so it's going to flush here on SPY. Qs, same thing. Qs are all the way up on the ceiling, like as far as you can be on the ceiling. I'm watching Microsoft now. All right, well.
Apple's looking heavy.
Yeah, oh yeah, Apple's super heavy. Apple's already below the 2-minute EWO. They're out. They're out of that. It's below VWAP.
Can you realize everything is freezing out?
Yep.
Not moving
Here we go.
fast.
Yep. Here we go, gang. SPY's pulling. Yep, I'm in it. I missed it. Oh, just got it. Oh, I don't know if I got that. Damn it. Tried to sell it $950. I don't know if I got it. Took too long to make the sale. Yep, I didn't. I actually lost $40. It was a $950 gain by the time I clicked it and it sold it. Lost $40. This pulls below this 21. I am hammering this. Waiting patiently, not doing anything, not trading this trade. We're still to the upside. Just because I had this breathe back, do not get in the way of this. If it breaks this 21, though, I will hammer this to the downside. It'll be a quick scalp. And I might have to do a market order since the last time it took too long to fill. Just giving you guys my mindset of what I'm looking for. Waiting for this break of the 21 to the downside here. Be patient. Again, if you're trying to buy puts now, you're going against the grain. Wait until the break of the 21 to the downside. I can't stress that enough. Entered. I might have to sell at market. There goes. Come on. Come on. Big pull right there. Oh, it's teeter in the 21. There it goes. I'll take it. Boom. $1,500.
Yes.
Small setup. Same drill. Staying below. Smaller setup. Entered. This time only 5. The bounces, I'll get right out. Nice. Oh, there it goes. Oh, Billy. Oh, did I miss it? What did that do? I think it sold when it wasn't supposed to. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. Because it said no. It said warning, and I said cancel. So, all right. I'm up $3,885.19. Put that in your pipe and smoke it.
I like how you got your SPX options chart right next to your SPY chart.
Yeah. So I trade SPX, but I watch SPY. Look at this. Who's in this to the downside on that break of 21 to the downside? That was the move, right?
Yes.
I am.
Thank you,
I am.
Yes, sir. Good setup.
Good job.
I'm up 1,300 on it right now.
Yes.
Yes.
Real good setup.
Good job. Always just wait for those A+ setups, right, gang? Oh, this got a lot more to give. Look at this thing. It's getting heavy.
It's looking for the 55 in the 1 minute.
Copy that. I'm going to put mine on the screen now. Good call. I'm glad you said that.
597.42 is a previous support.
Yep, and I see the 55 down there too. 597.22.
If you break that, it's gonna go back to market open.
596.50. Yeah, you break the 55, you're going to 596.50, and then I'll enter again on the break of that 55 to the downside. Good job. Notice today, I did not get greedy. I did what I said I was going to do. I took my profits. I didn't goof around like I did on Friday where I went through all that crap to make like $200. Done. I'm not, didn't I say I wasn't doing that today, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hey, coach.
Follow your own rules. Always.
Dialed in scalping. Nice job.
Yes.
Coach,
Yeah, go ahead.
give yourself a sticker for following your rules.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I was going to put myself on a timeout, and I didn't want to do that. I like to trade, but I will do it. I've done it in the past. Trust me. I'll be like, nope, you're done, buddy. You want to be an idiot? You're done. Told you guys, if you don't check yourselves, who's going to do it? You got to check yourselves, right? Check the ego and the pride at the door. If you're doing it wrong,
Tell me about it.
check it. All right, right here, still to the downside. Oh, that's beautiful. Please tell me you guys are still in that to the downside. Those of you that went in really small. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I sold off half of them.
Oh,
and I
good
kept the other
job.
half.
Yes. Collect as you go. Nice job. Love it. Oh, it's beautiful. Now, do you guys also understand why I said I did not like being up there on that top for long? Right? No. Did not like that at all. There's your bounce.
Off the 55.
Yep, I was just going to say that. There's your bounce off the 55. Yep.
I snagged it.
Oh, nice job. I'm too busy watching 8 million things.
40 minutes.
Good job. Oh, we are up to 350 concurrent viewers right now. We are going to do a giveaway before I walk out the door. That's
Fine, Coach.
That's a nice bounce. Thank you guys. Thank you for the likes, the follows, the shares, all the things. You guys are single-handedly noticed because you guys are double tapping the screens and doing all the things. You guys are driving that whole thing. So thank you. By the way, if this is your first time watching us, please click that follow. My name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for 33 years. We are the largest and fastest stock market education company in the country. Appreciate you being here. Israel, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Good morning, Coach. Can you take a look at Amazon, please?
Absolutely. Oh, Amazon, nice. Now, I got a previous level at 231.25. I don't see why. I'll have to go back and look. But yeah, that's beautiful, man. Beautiful stair stepper. Long as you respect that 9, ride that son of a gun all day. Now, let's look for the next major level of resistance. Let's do this. Let's go back in time. Let me get rid of all these. I went to my 15 just so I can get data fast for you. Oh, I can see it right there. 231.50. Everybody see that? So if he gets up that high, 231.50, 230.61, which tells me it's 230.50. Those are your two major level of resistance, 230.50 and 231.50, okay?
Thank you, Coach.
Yep. Oh, and they're right here. Oh, it's at it. 230.50 and 231.50. Yeah, those are your two major levels.
Took the green. I'm out.
Yes, nice job. What's SPY doing over here while we were looking at that? Oh, SPY bounced hard off the 55. Broke through the 9 and 21. Now look at what it did. What was that major level of resistance we had earlier? 598.30, right?
Yes, sir.
It hit it to the penny and pulled back. Right there, look. Ding. It's glorious. All right.
That
next.
55 was the 21 on the 2-minute coach.
Is it?
Yeah.
Thank you. So my trading strategy on this move would be if it breaks this 55, which is 597.31, I will short it, right? And you guys could get a potential move down to 596.50, but I'm just quick scalping it today. Otherwise, if this breaks and holds above this 21, I'm going to take it up to 598.30. That's a pretty risky move because you don't have a lot of space, which means it could knife drop fast. So again, if you're looking for a better setup, there's two here. 598.50 and above, or below 597.30 and below, okay? So I'll mark this in red, meaning go short. I'll mark this in green, meaning go long.
No trading in the middle.
Yep, yeah, exactly. Don't diddle in the middle. Now, I could go long here, above this 21 and the 9. The reason I'm not is because if this was resistance, which it just was a second ago, it could pop and super drop on me there. I don't want to make that trade. I'd rather be a little more patient, let it work another 20, 25 cents up here, right? This 598.50-ish. I'd rather get up there again. And that way I know I've got confirmation we're going to the long side, and that would be a better setup. Make sense?
100%.
Coach, what was your number for going for shorting it?
597.30 right now. That's based off the EMA 55.
Okay, that's what I had. I just wanted to make sure because I thought I heard it. Thanks.
Yep. Okay, it's after 10 o'clock. Noonie, I see your hand up. Go ahead, hon. Good to see you.
Good morning, everyone. $381.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Guys, I just put the 12,000 on the Robinhood account. I still have $8,000 to use it, but I don't want to touch it.
Good job. How many days in a row green are you now?
I am 3 months, 27 days.
That's awesome.
I know one day.
Go ahead, Nudie.
I know one day I will have the red day, but not that much what I did before.
Well,
now I'm easy. I'm controlling everything. Very, very easy to control.
Here's the difference. If you had a red day now, that's one red day in 4 months.
Mm-hmm.
That's not a red day every other day, right?
Yeah.
4 months, gang. Small position sizes. She already had it all in there. We tweaked a couple of very small things. Done.
It's so impressive.
It's incredible,
Thank you,
right?
Coach.
Yes, I am so happy for you. Oh my gosh. Telling you, when it clicks, gang.
I will send you the picture.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate that.
Way to go, Noonie.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much.
Praise says, amazing coach, don't wear glasses, or is it contacts? No, I wore contacts forever, but then if you guys remember, I had refractive lens replacement surgery. You guys were all here. I went live every day after I got surgery in each eye, remember?
Yeah, that was a crazy time.
It was. You guys remember how bad my eyes were?
Can you believe that's almost like 2 years now?
That's crazy.
I can't believe it. That was like a few weeks ago.
Can you believe how stupid it was for me to still go live the very next day after it happened on each eye?
Don, you're next.
Yeah, who's this cool dude wearing sunglasses while trading?
Yeah. Why does he look like my grandmother's Terminator?
And why is he calling random numbers?
Oh, crazy. Bruno, what's up, buddy?
Just got to welcome Jesse to Diamond membership.
Yay, Jesse. Where are you at, Jesse?
You just got to link his Discord, though. Link your Discord to your profile. Thanks.
Jesse, where are you at? Link your Discord to your profile, and congratulations and welcome. Welcome to our Diamond Club. That's phenomenal. Jesse is now going to be a part of the elite group. And you're going to get the cool name badge. And you're going to get a one-on-one with me. Congratulations. Very excited to work with you.
Coach, does those lower highs there on SPY, does that give you more confidence to the downside, or does that not mean anything?
No. I like the way you're thinking. All I'm seeing here, though, honestly, is consolidation. So even though this has come down, if we look right here and right here, this is the channel, right?
Uh-huh.
So even though it drove up and then down, all I see is up, down, up, down, up, down right now, right? I can't make it. I can't make a definitive like, yeah, it's coming down. I don't see that yet. All this is, gang. This is just sitting in a channel to me. So you could just trade this whole channel until it does something, right?
So there's really no weight then on those last few candles and the wicks on the top of them?
Nope, not at all. Nope.
Okay.
Not at all.
Thank you.
Ange, I hope you heard that. Okay, good. Ange is one of our moderators here. She was asking me difference between candlesticks and patterns and or channels. We went through that inside of our mentorship training. We did about 25 minutes of master scalp education training. If you guys are interested, by the way, all you diamond members, you get all that access for free now. Oh, right here. This is setting me up for a downside. Right here. We talked about this already on this setup. The break of 597.30 to the downside. We talked about this setup. Waiting for the break and hold. 597.30. I'll go small. And I could add in if I like it. I'm in it. Very small. Oh, it's bouncing around here, but I'm still in it. Still in it. As long as it stays below 597.30, I'm still in it. About a $200 risk for pops. Yep. Sitting on the 55. Still in it. If it sits down again, I'll add. I'm adding. Still in it. Had a nice push down. Taking 2 off. To sell in the final 2. Boom. Another 150 bucks out of those 2. I'll take it. Done. Look at that. Nice pull to the downside. Did you guys hear, though, how I was trying to keep you guys in why I'm doing what I'm doing, right?
Yeah, that was perfect.
Yep.
And I was with it, Coach.
Yes.
Thank you.
Nice job. So that was the A+ trade setup, though, was the break below 597.30. We collected. Waiting for the next setup. Just like this. If this pushes up and it taps 597.30 and pulls back, which it's trying to do right here, this is where I could get into the downside again. Because this is resistance. Do you see what I mean, though? We can do this over and over and over. I don't need to collect $1 million at once, though. I need you guys to understand that. Right? We can go small, 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 and then it'll go big. Small, 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 big. Right? We don't need to continue to try to swing for the fences. Small trades can turn extremely lucrative fast. It's more about protecting it, right? Protecting that than it is about making the money. The money will come when you're making good trades. But please protect your money while you're doing it. All right?
Thank you for saying all that. You
Yes.
just stopped me. I'm down of buying power, but I wanted to deposit more so I could buy more. But I'm up 1,400. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to stop.
No,
I'm done.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Yes, I love it. Yeah, I didn't even look at what
Go.
Look at NVIDIA, Coach.
Way to go, Christina. Hey, girl. Hey.
Hey, girl. Hey.
Hey. I woke up, made $1,400. I'm ready to go back to sleep. I heard you guys' voice. That's what woke me up. I was in the office on the floor.
I love it. You guys
always on the floor sleeping. What's going on?
My bed sucks, so I put a blanket on the floor in here just now, earlier today.
Be careful on NVIDIA right here. You guys are all rolling onto a ginormous double bottom, right?
Exactly.
In fact, I'm going to put this up on the big screen. Yeah, right here. You can see it was at 122.70. So anywhere around this area, this is a bounce. Anywhere around 123 is a bounce. So be careful, right?
Yes, sir.
NVIDIA down 13.5% today. Listen, this is why I always tell you guys, right? We take our money. We take our money. We don't need to hold that overnight, obviously, if you're into some sort of swing. The other thing that I always talk about, and I swear I'm the only one that's even saying it out here. By the way, I've been doing this 33 years. I've watched every TikToker, YouTube personality, every person ever do this. I have never, ever heard one time ever anybody talking about if you guys are holding long-term trades to hedge that by having some puts or vice versa the others. I have never, ever heard another soul ever say that on long positions to hedge and protect. Ever. It's for days like today. If I was an NVIDIA holder, I am protected with that insurance that I paid, which was covered calls, I collected premiums, and if I hold, I always have puts. Don't I?
Use the money from the covered calls to buy the puts.
That's right. And now you're in a
Yep.
spread. But don't I say it every day, 4 days like today?
Yes, sir, and
Oh
thank you.
yeah, every day. We have so many different strategies for everybody too.
But I have never, ever, not one time, ever heard anybody else ever say it before, which is crazy. And that tells you why you guys are in the right place at the right time. Appreciate you. Love your faces. Alex, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yes, I was wondering if you can do a quick analysis on Riot.
Yep, I'm on it.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, it's dumpster fire along with the rest of the market. Let me go back in time. Boy, we got to go way back. How far are you going back? Way back. And it goes a little something like this. Hit it. Okay. You can't take...
I've learned so much in here, Coach, from the group, the community. It's been an honor working with you guys.
Thank you.
Been trading by myself since 2017. Jumped in like 2021, I believe. Like 3 months after you started, or a month or two after.
Yeah, 2022, I think it was. Yeah, the start of.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, August 2022.
Yeah. Appreciate that, Sergio.
Yeah, I made 1.6% today. Got a little hairy, dude, but I jumped on what's my deal? Those Apple puts.
Yep.
And then it hit 227, which was, I would say, a double top from last week. So I was like up there like, stop it. Nana, stop talking. Quit saying the Apple new high day. Nana, shut up.
Riot. So real quick, Riot, 1180, 1160, 1150. Those are your next three support levels. You see them? Go ahead, Sergio. Sorry, I wanted to make sure he got his information on that question.
Oh, no. That was it. I was just like,
all right.
I was just joking on that part, but I was like, Nana, you stop betting against me. I'm at the top.
Going against the machine. Stop it. Good.
Like, for 10 seconds, don't say it.
Good job.
But, yeah.
Nice
I did
job.
that double off last week's and made 1.6, which is just like you said. I've made it a deal to take at least more than my daily goal every day and just put it in my bank account, and it's just there's no stress because I don't have to worry about bills. If I have a good or decent day, I'm not stressing.
That's right.
I finally held extras. I always hear David saying, I got a few more writers, and I'm like, this is ugly. I had 3 writers just writing that sucker down.
Absolutely. It's beautiful. And you know, the crazy thing is a day like today when the world is screaming and crying about how it's all red and oh no, in my accounts and I can't believe and all this other stuff. Show of hands, open your mics. Who's made money today, right? When the whole market is crying, who's made money today? Go ahead, let the world know.
I have, Coach.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Coach,
Me.
Oh, yeah.
Green.
Absolutely.
Yep.
today.
Still in NVIDIA. It's a crucial point right now. Still in NVIDIA.
Yes, nice. Yeah, and it got the bounce, right, that we were talking about. It bounced. So if you guys look at 123, it bounced 1, 2, 3. It's on its 4th candle on that level, right? It's still there. Jacko, go ahead. You got your hand up.
Hey, Coach.
So I remember you mentioned not to do covered calls on
Earnings.
when there's earnings.
Yep.
So I think as you maybe recall, I'm doing Tesla. So this Wednesday I believe they have them.
Correct.
So I should
After
do it
hours.
all week. I should just skip all week, or just see if I can make a couple of bucks today and tomorrow.
Well, if you're gonna do it, it better be same day. You don't want to hold through earnings, right?
Right.
You never want to hold through the earnings. So that day, I don't want nothing to do with that, right? At all. And the week of, I'm extra cautious. I try not to pinch myself, right? Because if Tesla would have had great news, learn going up to earnings, and then I would get stuck, and you're like, well, what are you supposed to do now? Because I'd have to roll up or roll out, and then I'd lose money. And then if Tesla had bad news, well, then it goes downside, and now I just paid for something that I shouldn't have because, right, it was going to go down. So I try not to screw around with it at all during that time. So, but what I'm always doing, if I'm holding Tesla or something else, right, in my paper trading account, because I can't discuss real accounts, what I would be doing is I would be hedging it. So if Tesla was down today, I'm making all my money today on those puts, right? If Tesla's up, I'm buying calls. All I'm doing is hedging it. I'm just making the money while I'm waiting. And if you guys are not capable, right, and nothing against you, but if you're not day traders and that's not your thing, wait it out. I don't want to do that, but I still always have a hedge. I just won't have covered calls, but I'll still have my puts. I always have my puts against my longs. There's never a time ever. I just won't do a covered call, but I will always have my short side to cover it. Make sense?
Yeah,
Yep.
definitely.
Yep.
I seem to be doing better with covered calls, cash secure puts than day trading.
No,
honest.
yeah. Some people, I mean, listen, it's beautiful. I tell you guys, it's a millionaire secret, right? It's
That shit is a home run, is what that is.
It's just beautiful, man. I told you, ride the waves. You want volatility. You want the stock up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Who cares? You want that. That's how you make your premiums, right? Tesla, though, Tesla's the hardest one to do it on. So if you're doing it with Tesla, you better be really good. Tesla's the number one, Tesla and Netflix, right, are the hardest ones you could ever do covered calls and cash secured puts with. Ever.
You know, in my paper trade, I've been accumulating it and for a long time. So it's just sitting there. And since I started with you, you've been preaching and preaching, and I'm finally trying it this year. And I seem to be doing better than day trading. So maybe I'll just stick to that for a while.
Well, for sure. And it'll help you pad that account too, right? It'll help build up the account. Absolutely. I told you guys when I first started here, right? 2.5 years ago, the second I turned everything on, I said, and I quote, I could sell my cash secured put and my covered call videos for $1,000 each. And everybody's like, ha ha ha, look at this new guy. He's trying to sell these memberships. I said, I'm telling you right now for a fact, my covered calls and cash secured training alone is worth everything we do. I could literally shut this entire thing down, and all I did in this room is covered calls and cash secured puts. You know how many millionaires I would have in this room? Well, I know from the back end, but do you know how many just millionaires I would attract from that alone? Because I can get you, right, 40 to 2,000% per year.
It ain't no joke. It's kept me afloat this entire last year. Thank you.
You're welcome. And I mean per year. Not forever, per year. SPY, new high a day. You guys should all be long on the break of 598. What?
598.30.
50. Thank you.
50.
Thank
50.
you. Thank you. Who did it? Now who did it?
I did, Coach. Thanks.
I'm still in it.
Boom. Now I'm over here training. Notice I didn't get a chance to get in it. But that was the move, right? It's glorious. It's glorious, I tell you. Nice job.
Apple's so close to that double top, and it usually bounces in this area.
Let's take a peek. Oh, yep. Yeah, I mean, Apple back up again above VWAP. SPY, new high a day, right?
Nice re-entry on Apple, 8% on the calls.
Yes. Hell yes. Yeah, I mean, you
Yeah,
guys are getting ready to test double top.
Google, Amazon, and Microsoft new high.
I see it. Looking good. Do you see
Coach, with
why
that,
today, even today, going against the grain of the open is dangerous, right? If you're like, I'm going to ride SPY puts forever when it started to pull, bull crap, that is against the grain. Now, I want you guys to think about this real quick. So there's two things going on, right? This crashed at the open, right? You're like, well, coach, against the grain, it's all downside. Well, if you looked at it from the open, it was the downside. But you got to look at, or I'm sorry, if you looked at it from pre-market, it's downside, right? But if you look at it from the open, it's clearly upside. And that is what I am using for my trend, is from open to now. Makes sense? That's why I said if you guys are trying to buy puts on SPY and it's been running since open, you are against the grain. You must be cautious. And what did I say today? Don't try to guess bottom. Don't do any of that stuff. That's not what we're doing in here. Trade the trades, right? Just trade the trade. Whatever it wants to show us, we'll trade you. We'll look for A+ setups. We'll trade it. We'll wait till it gets there. We'll trade it. I would rather have 1 to 2 A+ setups than 30 guessing game bull crap in the middle junk trades, right? Okay, good.
Coach, I was looking for that 596.50 like you were. I wound up getting that 596.65. Picked up 1,000 contracts. Just sold it. That was $87K on that one push.
$87,000 on that push. Did you guys hear that? That's one single trade.
Wow.
Just
That's a large size.
I'm up almost $1.50 for the day.
Oh my gosh. 150,000 now, Palm.
Yeah.
I want you trading, right? This is not financial tax or investment advice, but SPX versus SPY. You're gonna have to.
I got to get used to that.
You do, because I mean, not only the fees are ripping you apart, but worse, you are going to pay so much more in taxes on the profit you make off of SPY versus SPX. I cannot stress that enough to all of you, especially all my multi-millionaires in this room. When you guys are making and doing these types of trades and you're profitable, flip from SPY to SPX. It
What
is
is that, Coach?
massive, hundreds of thousands of dollars worth to flip. I cannot stress that enough.
Why is there a tax advantage, Coach? Just curious.
It's the way that the trust is set up. And if you want me to dive deeper, let me ask my friend Google. He knows much more than I do.
Coach, I'm in XPX today all day.
Yes.
By the way, Coach, Apple new high.
Thank you. Okay, so all my millionaires in the room. Hold on. So if you're trading SPX, now I want you guys to remember, let's say I traded SPY all year and I make $1 million. You're going to pay 40% capital gains tax, depending on your area and all the other things and your accountant and creativeness and all that stuff. 40%. Boom. You just lost 400,000, right?
Right.
If you trade SPX, 60% of it gets treated as long-term capital gains. Guess what? That's 15%. The other 40% is taxed at short-term capital gains of 40%. That means $600,000 will be taxed at 15% versus 40% of your $1 million. Somebody give me the math.
A lot.
600. Here, let me help you out with my Flint education. You're talking the difference of $90,000 will be taxed on that 600. Somebody remember that right now.
Versus 240.
Versus 240 for a difference of $150,000 per million. Okay. Per million, you'll
Gotcha.
save $150,000. So, right? So some people in here, Palm, right, who's now doing $1 million a month, that's $150,000 a month I'm going to save you by listening to the sound of my voice. That's what you pay me for, right?
Happy.
Yep. Appreciate you. I'm just trying to save you money.
Yeah.
I can buy 2 of my cyber trucks for the money you save per month. Okay? That's the kind of money we're talking about, ladies and gentlemen.
Coach, it is a different trade, though. I mean, it's hell sometimes.
It is. But look at the hell. Look at the reward.
Yeah, the upside.
Yes. So think about it. He's doing 1,000 contracts. You could
Right.
do 100 SPX for the
Yeah.
same. It's the exact same trade. It's literally the exact same trade.
You could do 50.
Yeah. Well, think
Yeah,
of
it's a fees. It's a fees because it's in a tax shelter, so I don't have to worry about that. But it's still fees.
Yeah. Yep. Well, it's for my
But
other
you can now
millionaires, too.
trade XPS on SPX. I mean on Robinhood now.
Yep. Now listen. So now think about this. So 1,000 SPX contracts. Oh my gosh. The fee is $1,200 each way. That's
Yeah, I'm 50
$2,400.
I'm 50
Oh, hold on.
Yeah,
Sorry.
50 cents on my platform, but yeah, I get it. I mean, it's a lot of money.
Yeah. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong thing, partner. I was looking at SPX.
No, I know it's pricey. Sometimes what I'll do those on some of these single candle scalps, I'll drop back to 50 and 100 and stuff.
Yeah.
And then I guess I could just do like one SPX or something.
Yeah. And it's a little bit different because you're in a tax shelter, but you got to remember, I've got 4 people in here that's almost at $30 million, right? So I'm talking to all of them. So,
yeah.
So the fees, what are we at? 1,000 SPX. I don't know what the fees are showing up. That is not right. It's not showing me the right fees. Oh, this is not show. Oh, that's why. There we go. So it is $300 round trip for SPX, or I'm sorry, SPY. So every time I click buy, $156. I click sell, $156. If I do 100 SPX contracts, so this would be 100. Here, 100. It is 119. So what is that? $80?
Mm-hmm.
Round trip.
Way.
Yep. Every click.
Yeah.
I'm saving 80 every click. If I do that 10 times today, that's $800 difference in fees, right?
Yeah, it's hard to get my head around. Like you see these big numbers and you're like, what's $500? But it all adds up.
It does, man. And how many trades are you making per day times 252 trading days? And how much in fees are you missing out on, right?
Oh shit. A lot.
Yeah. And I'm telling you guys, seriously, if you trade 10 SPX, it's going to move identical to 100 SPY. It's just in your head, you don't think it is. But I'm telling you it is. It is.
Yeah, it is. It is.
It really is. It's just in your head. You're like, oh my gosh, I only have 10 and it's doing that. Yeah, it's because 10 is equivalent to 100 SPY contracts, just like 100 SPX is equivalent to 1,000 SPY. I mean, it moves quick, but so does 1,000 SPY. That's, 2,000 every tick, every move, basically, right? So
it goes quick.
It does. It's real quick. But anyways, I'm just trying to save all of you, not just you, Palm, right? Because I have a lot of people literally making millions in here. And this is going to save you guys a ton of money. Palm's a little different because his is set up beautifully inside of a tax sheltered situation where he doesn't pay tax. But I'm telling you guys, once you start making the big bucks, if you're a SPY trader, flip it. All right? Okay, good. Thank you. By the way, it's 10:40. I got to fly. I've got 11 o'clock strategic meeting for us for 2025 to see where we're going to go. Bruno, are you going to be available for that meeting coming up here in 20 minutes?
Always available, coach.
Okay, good. Thank you. Love your face.
Mm-hmm.
All right, everybody else, be cool. Richard, you got your hand up. I'm sorry, partner. Go ahead.
No problem. I just wanted to say, and I know it's a different trade. We've been talking about the 3-candle reversal. If you had seen the 3-candle reversal for entry at 1028, I got in that at $2.16. I am still in it at $2.79.
Nice. This engulfing candle at 1028.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's exactly what you were saying before.
Yes.
Is the pop up was coming up?
Yep.
It's going to stay in there. It's clearly made its decision to go higher.
Correct.
It's just waiting for where the reversal to go up, and boom, there it was.
Yep, absolutely. And for everybody else, just wait till the break of 598.50, and then you got the run up to 599.57. So you got a whole dollar move off that A+ setup, right? Beautiful job. All right. Love your faces. Everybody be cool. I want to thank all my moderators. Oh, we got to do a giveaway. TikTok did their job. We got to do a giveaway. Who's over there? Diesel Dan, you've been living over there. Diesel Dan, you're going to do me a favor. Today you're going to play moderator. Diesel Dan, I want you to pick one person right now that's going to get a free premium monthly membership to us. Tell us who that's going to be right now, Diesel Dan. Type it in or let us know in the Stock Lounge. Type it into TikTok. I want to make sure somebody gets a free premium monthly membership, right? Everybody else that's interested in that, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You will see it. It says it's $125 a month. Click on that, get signed up, get in here. Listen, with that alone, you're going to get training with us every day from 8:45 to 4 o'clock. Live open microphones. Live open microphones. There's typically 400 to 500 people in here you can ask questions with, right? You're going to get the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup where we give you these key levels that we're trading against. You're going to get to trade and train with us. You're going to get all the videos on demand. You're going to get the membership lounge where that's where we are all talking, by the way. We're not hanging out in the stock lounge in the free area. Everybody's in the membership lounge. You're going to get access to the profits and loss area, right? Head on over. Check us out. $125 a month. I hope by the time you're done with that month, you are like, this is the greatest thing I have ever done. Yes, and we have a discount code. Thank you for asking, Chris. If you use the discount code 2025, we will give you an additional 25% off any first payment of any membership we have, excluding crypto, because we got a huge sale, and excluding diamond, of course, and a one-on-one with me. You don't get no deals with a one-on-one with me. Sorry. Right? But everything else. So here's what I would suggest, because that's a one-time deal. If you're serious, get like the annual membership. You can take 25% off of, $1,500 or whatever it is for the annual. I don't know what our annual is. If you do it off the monthly, you just get 25% off one time, right? If you're extremely serious about what we're doing, use that 25% off of a lifetime membership, because you'll save a ton of money, right? Like $1,500 or whatever it is. So no pressure, though. You guys can come over for free, spend as much time as you need to, work with us, train with us, right? Because remember, here at American Dream Trading, we want to help you protect your assets while growing your portfolio. We want to make stock market traders and not call out chasers. We will show you, train you on things you've never seen or heard of before, because I've been doing this longer than most of the people you're watching live have been alive. We have trained more people. We have created more successful people than any traders in the world inside of this room. That has to tell you something, right? Diesel Dan, did he choose? JRG. JRG, come on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com, and thank you, Diesel Dan. You just won yourself a free monthly premium membership. Thank you very much. JRG moderators, look for that. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And I saw you super double tapping those screens today. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks, Coach. This is a life changer for me. Absolutely, JRG. Thank you so much, man. We appreciate you. We look forward to working with you every single day. Listen, I got to go. I got to prepare for this meeting. Bruno, I'll be over there in 15 minutes. We are making a lot of changes over here. Remember, at 2025, we are all about marketing this year, right? We've already done all the admin. We got everybody where we need to go. We had all the transitional changes from one payment system to the other. We're done with all that. 2025 is all marketing. If you guys are interested in getting a ton of talking about thousands of dollars of free services with us, and you have experience with content creation, open up a ticket or say, hey, I'd be interested in doing that. right? If you know how to use CapCut, or if you guys know how to use, right, DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro or Final Cut, and you want to make some videos for us, right? We're trying to crank the machine in 2025. If you're a thumbnail expert, if you're like, I can make the world's greatest thumbnails, we want to see you. We can pay you in thousands of dollars worth of services to be here with us, right? We want to get 5 to 10 people on our media team cranking out amazing content for us. We've already got, I think, 4 on the team right now. So come on over, see us. We're not training you. You need to come and be able, oh, I haven't done it in forever. I might. We're not doing that. If you're able to, come and check it out, right? By the way, crypto, we're still looking for one more crypto moderator. And thank you, Bucko. I appreciate that. And now we've got Doug also over there cranking out crypto. I love seeing the crypto channel starting to get some volume now. Thank you so much. Crypto is on sale, by the way, $500 for the year, $1,500 lifetime. That's going to end in 3 days. I'm just letting you know. Crypto, that sale's ending in 3 days. So if you guys have been interested in crypto, you got 3 days. Otherwise, that's going up to its regular price. It'll be $2,500 a year, $5,000 lifetime. Last opportunity. Also, the 2025. I don't know how much longer I'm going to run that discount. It might just be 3 more days too. I'll let you guys know after the strategic meeting. But everybody head on over to, oh, that's what I was going to say. The breakout rooms, Monday, Wednesday, Friday is now at noon. That way, if I run over, it doesn't, right? They're not any, we're not stepping on each other's toes. So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, VIP gold breakout rooms, right? With our other self-made millionaires and mentors of our room. We'll be in there noon now. All right. All right. That's it. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, and Happily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Palm Coast, Angie, Aaron, Richard, Doug, and now Bucko. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world.
Hey.
There it is. Thank you. I'm out. Love your faces. See ya.
Hey, Coach.
Yep.